Bonjour, je suis Santa. Right now I'm in Paris, France, and I'm just about ready to go to one of my favorite restaurants in France. They haven't even turned on the lights yet, but maybe I can turn around and you can see the crossroads there coming around. And they don't have the lights on yet to the restaurant, but I think you can make out the Golden Arch where they have Homies Americains. French fries. Okay, and there the sign finally goes on. So now I have the Royal Deluxe menu, and the fries, and the cook, and they threw in this, and I don't know what I do with it, but I find out soon. So if you order in the restaurant, the fry container is actually a plastic container that they reuse, and the glass is actually a plastic glass that they reuse too. And it comes on a little plastic tray that you can carry around inside the store. It just takes a little bit, a while to get your order.
Yeah,